Hey, welcome to this radio video, and we're gonna do a little tuning of the bands with comments, something that I haven't done in a while, different videos of the different bands at different times, and I got a lot of requests for this. A lot of people say they like the band tunings with the comments, so it's 100 hours UTC, and we will tune the 49-meter band shortwave. So 100 hours UTC. I'm located in Montreal, Canada. So I'm in the northeast part of North America, and it is local time 7 p.m. So it's early evening. So let's tune the 49-meter band with comments, of course, and see what we can hear.
El judaísmo los considera como miembros propios. Sí. Vale la aclaración entonces, padre. Por eso en las enciclopedias judías aparecen como los hermanos Ratismo, que fueron dos. Alfonso, que es el más famoso.
This is WEWN from the United States.
1 de mayo de 1814 en Estrasburgo, en Alsacia, en Francia, y murió en...
Thank you for listening to World Harvest Radio. The ministries that broadcast on this station need to hear from you. If you missed the broadcast...
World Harvest Radio from the United States, WHRI.
P.O. Box 12, South Bend, Indiana, 46624 in the USA. That's P.O. Box 12, South Bend, Indiana, 46624 USA. It's your letter that keeps your favorite program on the air. You can also email us at whr@lac.com.
Somos Carta de Beijing, el puente de la amistad.
Amistad, afecto,
Intercambio, comunicación, mensajes. Y ya vamos con uno de los momentos más esperados aquí en Carta de Beijing. A mi lado mi colega María Sonche. Hola María.
Hola Valeris, ¿qué tal amigos? Es un placer responderles de interés. Como siempre, daremos a música en recibo a los mensajes que nos ha enviado en el correo electrónico spa@cri.com.cn.
Este 3 de diciembre, Radio Internacional de China estuvo de...
This is China Radio International in Spanish from Cuba Relay.
Argentina nos envió sus felicitaciones. Se dijo a ustedes a fin de hacerles saber.
Something very weak. Something very weak on 6010. China Radio International 6020. They have a 2-hour English program to North America on this frequency. That is from Albania transmitter site.
继长安之后，时隔整整7年，郑钧终于回来了，发布了这首全新摇滚单曲《作》。郑钧说，这个“作”指的不是 no 作 no die， 而是 no 作 no life， 不作不活。其实除了“作”这个热词以外呢，这首歌曲最大的。
This is Radio Marti from Cuba with the Cuban Radio Marti from the United States, sorry, with the Cuban jamming over it. This is what's left that we can hear direct from HCJB in Quito, Ecuador, 6050 kilohertz. I do tune from time to time, by the way, on this frequency because I always enjoy the Ecuadorian music, and 6050 often has a lot of Ecuadorian music. So when propagation is good enough, at least, you know, it's a signal from a voice of the past, HCJB in Quito, Ecuador.
Tumbadoras, dos bombos, tres campanas,
Radio Havana, Cuba.
Trompetas y tres trombones. Ataviado con un típico sombrero rodeado de sus numerosos tambores y trompetas y sus dos famosas bailarinas de pelo rubio, hizo bailar Pello el Afrocán a millones de cubanos con temas como María Caracoles.
This is a CFRX in Toronto, which is the shortwave outlet of CFRB 1010 AM medium wave in Toronto, Canada.
The launch is wonderful. It made a significant pull in the budget for who's going to have to deal with it. City Squad said that the new contract said $125 $29.6 million in the last what do you think? Please talk to Tim. The issue is 416-726.
If you will. See if I can squish this all in here.
This is the Caribbean beacon from the island of Anguilla in the Caribbean. Religious programming all day.
All right, and one more here. Let's go to the bottom. And here.
Sublime. Well, baptism shows us where we're buried in the watery grave, is we're raised up then, that is, to live in the newness of life. It's an outward figure to show what has happened inwardly, and that's what it is. Now, the question of it is, it makes it plain here, it's not the putting away of the filth of the flesh, it's not cleansing us of sin or dirt or anything else, but it's the answer of a good conscience toward God.
WWCR in Nashville, Tennessee, USA.
Well, that is, things haven't been straightened out between you and God through salvation, not through Jesus Christ. It doesn't answer anything. It's
This is a possible South American, maybe Bolivia, Radio Santa Cruz, or there's also a Brazilian, Radio Aparecida. So it's probably one of those South Americans here. This is the CBC, the Canadian Broadcasting Corporation outlet in St. John's, Newfoundland. CKZN, still one of the, pretty much one of the only voices where you'll hear the Canadian Broadcasting Corporation on shortwave. 6160.
They sold 69 albums at Supertramp at Dibbleton. Now we're going to a big song. The guy who had no name, only initials. His name is J.R. Cash. Inside the Army, he said, "You can't be called."
This is Radio Nacional Amazonas in Brazil. A little weaker than usual. And so this is pretty much the tour of the 49 meter band at 0-100 hours UTC with comments. And I'll be now moving on to the 41 meter band. So take a peek at my videos, because there's going to be a series of videos of the different bands at different hours. I'm going to try to do this a little bit today and a little bit tomorrow, Sunday, during the daytime. I'm going to try to make these a series of videos of tuning the bands as of December 6th, 2014.